Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Iyar Alimullah. I am actually as Azure DevOps engineer, also working as a data engineer. My background actually software developer from .NET. Today I am going to actually demo how to use Azure Data Factory. It is for the beginner. Today I will show you how to read a CSV file from Azure storage and save it into Azure SQL with Azure Data Factory pipeline. It is actually simple for the beginners. There are lots of actually tutorials on Google's or on YouTube's or others web. But I saw that in every videos there are some actually there's some skip a few steps, so it will actually get some confusions for the beginner how to work with it. So I will try to make a more few video modes, but starting from the uh, very beginning. Actually it is actually very easy and for the beginners. So yeah, let's go. Okay. uh I have to few things actually. hmm, Storage account. Okay, I have to delete it first. Actually, as it is for beginners, so I will show you all aspect actually. I'll not skip anything. Going to skip. Oh, sorry. I not. I delete actually the blob. Not. So create a new storage account. This is the resource group. If you need new one, you can create it. It is just, let's say, df demo 2. You can click OK. OK. Okay. No problem. Create a new one for my df input demo. So storage account adf is okay. Review and create it. Okay. I don't need much more actually. There are lots of things we can set for storage account, but for this demo, we don't need much more. That's why I skip everything. Okay, going to create it now. It will take some times. I do not stop the videos because I don't want to skip anything, because it will get some confusions for the beginners. For the beginners, actually, they need to actually follow every steps. They have some lack of knowledge, so that's why I am going through every aspect. So after creating the storage account, I have to create a container for it. Let's say and give it a name input. Created. So I'm going to the inputs and upload my files. Yeah, this is my CSV. Upload. Done. So now I'm going to the database side for the output. Okay, I'll create Azure SQL. I'll create a single database. Okay, I use the same subscription, same resource group, your database name, ADF, demo, DB. Server, if you don't have, if you are going to new, then you have to create new one. Like create a new, you have to give the server name. It will be unique, and actually what the purpose. Okay, demo DB is for development. So lower the cost, review and create. Okay, so done. Oh, sorry, it was our SQL server. And actually, we'll create the database server. It will ask for the authentication like SQL and users, SQL's authentication or Windows servers actually here for Azure Active Directory. So you can select anyone. In my systems, I don't have any Active Directory setup, so I use only uh, as Azure SQL authentication and set the ID and password for SA account. Okay, done. So go to the resources. If you have everything set up, like you may need to add your IPs with the server. Let me show how to do it. Yeah, the server page on networking page, you can click add your client IP. It will add your IPs, and you have to enable selected networks. Okay, after that you can access it. So I'm going to the query editors. This is the query editors. Password. Okay, I have to create the tables first for the output. Okay, then yeah, my table has been created with the name table test2. In this table section there is no data. Select all. Yeah, zero row, there is no result actually. So now the main work actually I have to go with the Azure Data Factory now. So I have to create actually the Azure Data Factory. As I don't have anyone, I have to create a new one. The same things. I have to select the research group name. I have to give it a name. ADF demo. What I can give it a name. Version 2. It is failed developer edition. You can configure your Git. Actually, it is a repository to save the everything the configuration as a repository. So you can use the same things later. Okay, validation passed. It will take much more times. Okay, done. So go to the resources. Okay, actually you have to go to launch the studio. It will actually come out from the Azure and will open its own studio. Click on it. Okay, so open home, author, monitor, manage, a learning center. So we have few things, three things actually have to use. Okay, manage. I have to create a few things like I have to create some actually mean two connections. one for the Azure storage connection, another for the Azure SQL connection. Okay, the settings. So homes. Basically, I have to create a pipeline also. I don't have any data set, data follows. So okay. First, I can create a Azure storage actually files. CSV. Sources. I think actually I have to show a few things more. Okay, I have to create. I have to show a few things actually. That's why I'm going back to here. I have to create a few connections. Okay, to create a few connections. Azure Blob storage connections for input. Okay, you can actually go through anyone. I'll go to the subscription. I'll select my one. Storage account name. Yeah, demo. I don't need anything more, so I can create the connections. Okay, the connection have actually created. The connection name actually I can change the connection name also. Sorry, but I forget it. And same things I have to create another connections. Azure SQL connections. Okay, output connections, name server, then name the database, demo. Okay, SQL authentication, select admin password, 7, test connection failed. Why? Okay, I have to use this, allow this IP address also. Server, database server, go to the networking, add another IPs, save. Okay. Okay. Actually, I want to show everything. So in that case, you can learn and going through the difficulties. Output connections. It is actually input connections. Then I have to create a data set actually now. Okay. Now go to create the data source, data set for file system delimited input data in service. Sorry, it is not the right one. Delimited input data one. My file name was accounts. This one. Import schema. Okay, sorry, I have to go through the container name. Container. my content and I'm actually input. Okay, create another data set for output. Table name, yeah, this one. Okay, now I'm going to create the pipeline, the new one. There are many things here like move transfer, transform, Azure Data Explorer, data function, base service, data bricks, data lake, many things here. So actually, I will use one things, copy data. Okay, for uh, copy data have few things. I can give it a name. But copy CSV to SQL. I don't need to set any things. Now go to source. What is the source? It is my input data. Okay. There are many, actually you can parameterize many things you can do, but for a actually beginner I will not going through anything more and seeing actually the target with my output data. Okay, I will do not do anything for the mappings. You can get the mappings, but I will not do it. Okay, I think everyone. Okay, so now actually I will actually validate it. That means debug it. Okay, you consider debugger. You can also the validate issue. It is validated. Okay, now go to debug. It is queued. It is failed. So we can see the errors actually, where it is failed actually. Okay, database connection failed. Why it was failed? Another is firewall. Another IP address actually. Okay, so I will debug again. It's failed again. Okay, why it is? I have to actually make it some. It takes some dynamic actually, so I have to 20. I have dependence. Then it will actually sync side. The column being not found in the target site. Oh, okay. Business unit. Okay. As I do not do the mapping, so it will try to find all the columns. That's why it was failed. I have to fix it and run it again. One, two, three, four, five, six, 10. Seven. Account name, account type, account name, account type, main address, main address country, business type, business unit. Okay. Account manager, territory, billing, products version, and live data. Database, and even three. Okay. Query success. There will be two tables. Table theory. So I have to change few things. The data set part. I have to give the names. Not the connections. I don't have any data, so there will no preview. Okay, so I have to, sorry, I have to go to pipelines. Source, input data. Oh, makes sense. Input data. Sorry, I have to go to the output data. Everything is okay. Database connections. Just change it. Okay, we can see the column names. Okay, you can see succeed. So if I'm going to the database, I can see the data now. Select all from. Okay, so you can see that, right? All the data actually converted from the CSV and save into my SQL server. Okay, thanks.